Barbecue chicken time. Would you like some amazing barbecue chicken? Of course you would. So let's do this. So I have 12 pieces of chicken thighs. I put them in a bowl. And I have 3 packets of Szechuan that I'm gonna put in here. So this is the complete seasoning. And we're going to put 2 tablespoons garlic powder. We're gonna put 1 tablespoon. And we are going to put adobo. And we're gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon. And then we're gonna mix these together. Now we're going to put some barbecue sauce. And I have the Sticky Finger Smokehouse barbecue sauce today. It's a sweet Kentucky bourbon. So let's try it. It tastes good. I'm gonna throw 1/3 of a cup on here and I'm just gonna mix it. All right, nice and mixed. Now we have our tray and we are going to take some sliced onions and just put them on our tray and spread them out. Just like so. Now we're going to take our seasoned chicken. We're gonna spread it out on our sheet pan. This is what we're going to put now in the oven. So we put the chicken in the oven at 425 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. When the chicken comes out, we can put a nice layer of fresh barbecue sauce and pop it back in under broil for another few minutes. And it'll be nice and brown and juicy. It's been 30 minutes and we're going to check our chicken. Let's see what it's looking like. Beautiful. That looks great. Now we're going to put a nice coat of barbecue sauce on that. Don't be stingy with this barbecue sauce. Lather it on good. Put a nice coat on the top of your chicken. And then stick it back in the oven for another 5 minutes or so on broil. All right, it's time to take our chicken out. See how it's looking? Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. And here's your barbecue chicken.